Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set timer in camera. If you find this useful, then please like and subscribe. So first you need to go to your camera app and let's say you are taking a group picture and you don't have anyone to hold it for you. You want to put it in a timer mode. What you want to do, you want to click on the arrow at the top, click on it, and then find the clock icon, click on the clock icon. It will give you the option for 3 second, 5 second, or 10 second, whichever you like. And then when you click on the option that you want, and when you take a picture, it will take 5 seconds, and that is how you can set the timer for your camera. Thank you.